The Excel Point of Sale platform is our best-selling Windows software that allows anyone to turn their existing laptop, PC, or Windows tablet into a fully functional touchscreen cash register in about 2 minutes. It's perfect for getting your business off the ground today or streamlining your existing workflow. In the example seen here, a user without any formal training is creating a branded POS system for a clothing store that sells women's clothing. Branding is applied to the system, logos, and various options can be set. You can also quickly set up your POS by browsing to a folder containing images of the products you wish to sell, as our user does in this example. Once that's performed, you're pretty much ready to go and open for business.